So I am trying to get lists together of my favourite things in life. And I'm trying to remember my favourite songs and my favourite TV shows, my favourite films. And it's really hard. For songs I can only think of Hotel California. And all the music I was into, all of it is gone from my head. I just don't know what my favourites were. I don't remember anything. I don't remember who I was into musically. And Dire Straits is one thing. That's all that comes to mind for some reason. In films, I have no idea. It's really disheartening, this business.